Hello, YouTube family. How are you? In the video I'm about to show you, like I promised, some of you that have been watching the videos, have been following on the farm, how I had a situation where our crop of rape was destroyed, our vegetables were destroyed, and I said then that I was going to work and then improve the water system and get drip irrigation going. So far so good. We have dug 3 water wells, and they got sufficient water. And on top of that, we also got a borehole which is about 100 meters deep. So the drip irrigation has been installed this past couple of weeks. It has been installed, and then the guys are now busy planting. They are busy planting winter maize, as it's winter in Zambia right now. And let's see how it goes with this crop of maize. I'm not doing a big section though, but this is just a trial. I wanted to do cabbages, but I thought let me just try first with winter maize and see how it goes. Then perhaps after this crop, maybe we'll put maybe about 20 to 30,000 heads of cabbage and see how it goes. But watch the video and see what has been going on the farm, on Johnson Farm in Kapiri, Zambia. Thank you to those who have been following, those who support by subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate you. And those who are contemplating of joining, please don't hesitate. Click that subscribe button and give it a like and share. So enjoy the video. So guys, as you can see, our drip irrigation has been installed and it's actually dripping. We've been testing it the past week, and we're still testing it at the moment. And at the moment, the guys are actually planting on one section. So that's our tank, and placed on that anthill there. So we have the gravity, the force of gravity to push the water down. So like I was saying, those of you who have been following from some couple of years ago, you know what I was saying about me installing drip irrigation. It has come to pass. What I said then has happened now. So we have put the drip lines and it's looking very pretty, as you can see. On the sides here we have mango trees, we have avocados, we have some pine trees, and yeah, so this is it. We want to see and prove it for ourselves that drip irrigation is actually the best, because it preserves water. Instead of us wasting water, this is the way to preserve water. The water just drips on the plant, and the goodness with drip irrigation, it doesn't encourage weeds because it's only dripping on per plant, and that is the beauty of drip. Look at that, very nice. It's really looking nice. So the plants will look very beautiful once they are planted. The guys are finishing this week planting, and yeah, we're going to have quite a lot of sweet corn, the yellow maize, for the marketeers. They've done a good job, a job well done by my helpers. This is good job. Yeah. So right now, they are actually taking, because we recently harvested from this field, so we cleared it with all the dry maize stalk. So we are piling them up at one point of the farm. At the other side of the farm, we want to make some compost with that, so we can have some compost for our vegetables. And our strawberries are coming up very well. I'll show you the strawberries in the next video when I'm ready. So as you can see, the guys are picking up all that, and they're going to put it in one area where we're going to mix it and cause compost. Look at that, dripping. Yeah, I'm loving it. It's just amazing. I'm happy. So far so good. I'm so pleased with myself for this development. Drip irrigation is the way forward. Solar and also solar is one of the systems that we are using to cut down on costs. So we are using solar power to pump the water into the tanks, and that way we are also saving on using diesel or petrol for our pumps, which is a good thing. So we are going to further advance our strategy of using solar and drip irrigation. So this is the field near the stream, and in a couple of months' time we will be installing the other field. We'll be putting drip irrigation lines on that other field as well. Hopefully, we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll put in a crop of tomatoes and see how it goes. So I hope you are inspired. Somebody who has been following the videos from before, I hope you have been inspired by this video and following our story from where, from the last time you watched us when our plants were dried up with the drought. We don't want that to be repeated again. We don't want history to repeat itself. Once we plant our crops, we want them to grow, and then we can benefit from them as well. Yeah, so there's Efeso there, Simpungwe. They're just busy clearing this other section here. And yeah, so far so good. They've cleared it. It looks very good, nice and neat, which is a good job, isn't it? So I don't know where you're watching from, around the globe, around the world. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment below, and also share the video with family and friends to inspire somebody out there. From my experience, like I always say, Rome was not built in a day. It's one step at a time. Because if you rush, I'm telling you, you can fall down very hard, and it's not a very nice thing. So we're going each day as it comes, one step at a time, and that's the approach anyway. So as you can see, we are now planting yellow maize, and we are putting 2 on opposite side of the drip line. So once they plant this maize here, straight away we fertilize them, and so that they come up with some kind of energy that will make them thrive, and hopefully they will grow, and we're going to have a nice harvest. So you can see the ground is nice and wet. That is very, very nice. That's Simpungwe there doing his job, planting amataba. Yeah, so very soon, in a couple of months' time, we're going to be roasting some amataba, some maize. We're going to have a roast to enjoy those maize. There's nothing like a roasted cob, very nice. And this is not even a joke. At this stage, Musana, the back, it really aches. We don't have the equipment for planting, so we just have to do it manually for now until a certain time in our farming endeavors, when we will be able to buy planters and all kinds of equipment, to help us from doing strenuous kind of work. But so far so good. We are just beginning, and we have to start somewhere. We can't wait for the machinery, but we have to start working now, earn the money. Hopefully one day we can have equipment. And I just like the straight lines, the way they have been put. It's looking pretty well, pretty good. Some of you guys have been watching the videos. The wall fence hasn't finished yet. We're going to do the other section where the mango trees are coming all the way where the tank is up down the forest. So this other section here, the wall fence, is complete all the way up to the far end. But we're going to continue once I'm ready with a bit of kwachas to buy the equipment that is needed, the materials that are needed.